There's no audio. You start PUBG and there's no audio. This is what happened to me, and I have a solution for you. Alright? Nothing. You start PUBG and you can't hear anything. Nothing. So I found a solution for you here. I'm gonna show you how you can fix audio issues in PUBG. So let's jump right into the video and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. So what you have to do, at least this is what I did. There are also other ways, I know, but I hope this is gonna help you. So what you have to do is to right click on the sound icon here and then go to volume sound mixer, and where you see, you know, PUBG here, you should see all your applications. Just use also this to look through all the apps. Locate PUBG and just grab this and drag it all the way to 100%. This is what fixed the problem for me, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and I hope now you can enjoy PUBG with great audio. Take care.